session in the this is a 2-day creative writing workshop, and my session is about poetry, in particular poetry as a character study. So I was talking about writing poetry about other people, describing people as a way of telling a story. These are people you know, or people you just met, or famous people, or people you might have seen on a bus. And the participants will write a poem about another person. They started off writing poems about themselves, and they will later on they will write poems about somebody, like I said, somebody they know or a famous person, and that was basically my session.
Okay, what can I tell about today's workshop is, of course, it is now a very fruitful event, I would say. It helps me to drill my skills in writing, because I know that I can write, but I realize that there are so many things that I can improve on. I heard a lot of comments from our coach, from our instructors today, and I know what are the areas that I can improve. I believe that we should organize more events like this, more workshops like this, because it's not only helping us lecturers, but also would help our students to improve their proficiency in writing, not only in technical writing, but of course articles, feature writing, short stories, poems and stuff. And I believe that we should, as I said earlier, we should organize more events like this, and I'm hoping that QIUP can collaborate with MMU or any other universities in organizing this kind of events. So, thank you.
Throughout this whole session, I had 3 people speaking to me, and they have really inspired me in many ways. I have left writing for quite some time, and I was into teaching, and now they have inspired me to bring back my teaching and my writing sense by using people who are very close to me. For example, my parents, my teachers, and also even my grandparents. So I hope this particular workshop will make me a better person, and I think that I'm sure that I can bring a very good writing to people, and I will inspire people to one day. Thank you.
Being a normal human being, whereby they are living in a community where people will judge you, and sometimes whether you like it or not, you will be affected.
But in the course of the conversation, that might come out. That means you don't have a flat character, you're having a dynamic. So that is totally different. Now then you need, what is the issue? Why are you telling us the story, or telling yourself the story? What is it? Is it about a feeling of desperation, or a feeling of happiness, or a feeling of accomplishment? What is it that you want to discover or tell the audience, or remind yourself as a writer? You want to remind yourself as a writer and a reader, because you are the audience.